Hey guys, so today is, as you see on my screen, March 23rd, and I just found out that I will be teaching at the high school on Thursday. However, during fourth period, we are scheduled to have a fire drill, and because we're already very behind because of last week's situation, I will be just teaching you a little bit because I do want to still make sure we get that test in next week, and I don't want to fall too behind. So this is the last thing we did on Tuesday. The only thing left that we had was E and F, which are very straightforward, and that's really all I want to accomplish today. So if you look at E, it says f of g of 3. Now look above, we already did f of g of x. Okay, so I'm going to put a blue star. This represents f of g of x, right? So in letter E, they're asking f of g of 3. So what you want to do in this situation is just take this value of x and replace it in your f of g of x. So you would replace it right here. All right, and that's basically it. So we're going to do this. I'm going to make some space over here. So we would put in 6 over 4 parentheses 3 plus 5 squared. Remember, order of operations, so we want to multiply. We want to do the inside first, so that'd be 12 plus 5, so that's 17. And I do have my calculator handy right here. So we have 17 squared, and 17 squared is 289. So your final answer is 6 over 289. You want to make sure that that fraction is in lowest terms, which it is. I can't further reduce that. So the answer for E is right there. Okay? Now, if you want, pause the video, see if you would be able to do F on your own. And let's look at that. Making some space here. So in order to do that, we need to find g of x, which I just erased, I just realized. And I don't feel like stopping this video, so I'm going to just do it again. G of x. Okay, so g of x, I should say here, is 4 times 4x plus 5 plus 5, which is, yes, now I remember, we had 16x plus 25 as the final answer here, right? So now what we're going to do is take -2 and replace it in here, right? And so we would do that. 16 times -2 is -32, right? And then -32 plus 25 would be -7. So your answer for F is -7. Okay? So now, what I would like you to do for the rest of the period is work on this guided practice right here. Okay? You can find it in your online textbook on page 183, or you could just take a picture of this screen. Let me zoom in for you. Okay. Work on that, and then we will go over that next time I see you. Okay? All right, guys. Have a good one.